Hi, welcome back. Myself KK Singh. I am a GG leader Agra, and I am a Google certified trainer and innovator as well. So, in the context of my Google Sheets tutorial, I discussed many functions and many formulas with different scenarios in the Google Sheet. So today I am also going to take a demonstration or give you the insights on three main functions which are very important functions that one should know while dealing with the Google Sheets. Number one, the import range. Why should we use import range? Because if you want to data from the another spreadsheet, and if you are working on internet, your system is connected to internet, or you are working in the cloud, then you must know about the import range. And the second function is filter. If you want to take out the or filter out the data for desired condition, then you must use the filter condition to filter out the data from the imported data. And the third one is array formula. So array formula is basically I'll use to copy the data from one imported sheet to another sheet in the same spreadsheet. So let's move to our Google Sheet and I'll show you how to do this. So this is my Google Sheet, and over here I am going to import the data from another spreadsheet, and the condition for that spreadsheet that the spreadsheet should exist in the same ID, or you can say the same Google Drive. So over here I have chosen a spreadsheet that is Practice Collaborate. So I am going to import the data on this sheet, from this sheet, the entire data from A1 to K41. So entire data I want to fetch or import from this sheet. So the first thing which I should do is to apply the equal sign. So as soon as I apply equal sign, means I am going to apply a formula or the function. So the function is important, so I write import range. Now here I have to mention the URL of the spreadsheet from where I want to import the data. So my spreadsheet from which I want to import the data is here. Okay, so the URL, I need the URL. I'll copy URL here from here, and after copying the URL I'll have to mention the URL here in double quotes. Okay, so URL is copied here, but for your kind information I would like to tell you that only ID will suffice. Means if I do not want to use the entire URL, I can use this part only, and this is the ID of that spreadsheet. So only ID will suffice. This will also work as the entire URL work. The next part is to apply comma, and then I'll have to mention the range of that spreadsheet which I'm going to import the data from. So my spreadsheet is here and I want to copy the data from here, from sheet 1. So I'll have to mention sheet 1 here. Sheet 1 exclamatory sign, and the range is A1 to K41. So my range is there and my formula or my function is complete, and I'll have to press enter right now. So it will show me the error, that is the reference error. So what does it mean? It means if I click on this, it will show the masses popped up. You need to connect these spreadsheet, means you will have to allow the access. So as soon as I allow the access, the entire data will be imported from that spreadsheet. See here. So entire data is imported from that spreadsheet. Correct. So this way I can import the data from different spreadsheet. Okay, so this way we can understand that import range works very well, and this is very important if you want to apply this on your day-to-day task. Now I am going to filter out the data. I am going to apply the filter data. So to apply the filter data, I'll have to move to this sheet. And what do I want? I want to filter out those students from this spreadsheet who have scored more than 70%. Okay, so here on this spreadsheet, again I have to apply equal sign, then filter the range, the range, then comma. Now the condition. The condition was the student who have scored more than 75. So I'll have to select this column. For the condition, this column, and it should be greater than equals to 70%. So as soon as I close the parenthesis and press the enter key, my data is filtered out. So here there are two students who scored more than 70%. Okay, now the third one is array formula. So to come to come to array formula sheet, and over here I'll apply again equal sign and control shift and enter key. Sorry. Array formula, and here I'll have to mention the data from this sheet and select the range, and press the enter key. So see here, the entire data from this import data is copied to this sheet, this tab. So this way I can use the array formula. And if you want to format it, kindly format it this way, suppose, and fill the color. I'm going to fill the color like this, and text color like this. So this way I can copy, I can use a filter data, I can use import data. This is the import data. Here you see this is import range, and on this tab I use filter data, and on this tab I use the array formula. So hope you understood the concept of these three functions. So if you understood, kindly use these functions in your day-to-day tasks in Google Sheets. So we'll meet in the next video with some other functions and scenarios. So till then, bye bye.